Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a vertical video in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my Squarespace account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add a vertical video on. Go to Pages. You can select one of these pages or go into your blog, post articles, and add a vertical video. It's pretty much similar. All you need to do is to first select your page like that. Now, after that, click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. For example, I can delete this photo. Now click on this plus blue icon and select look for video. To upload your video from your computer, just click on this plus icon and hit upload file. This is my vertical video. Click on open, and now the upload to Squarespace is started. For this Squarespace business account, I have a video storage limit of 30 minutes, and now I have only 29 minutes left. I will show you a way to add a vertical video to Squarespace without using this storage or video storage on Squarespace. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that the upload is completed, you can set a custom featured image for this video instead of this one. It's similar to thumbnails on YouTube. I will use this default one. You can also mute your video, make it autoplay directly after the page is loaded. You can loop this video, which means continue playing itself. And you can also edit the video control or player control from all to minimal to none. You can add a description here, it will show up under the video. Don't forget to click on this save button from this corner to not lose your editing. After that, click on exit. I think the saving was not completed. Click on exit, then click on this little arrow to visit your vertical video page live. And this is how to add a vertical video on Squarespace. To avoid seeing this long or this horizontal video player, just go back to the editing mode, click on your page, then edit, select the player and use play control none. Save your work, click on exit, and I think now your vertical video can be truly vertical. If you want to add a vertical video in Squarespace without using your Squarespace video storage, it's simple. All you need to do is to go to your page or blog post page, click on edit to go into the editing mode, click on add blue icon, select embed, look for embed, click on embed. Now go to drive.google.com, then click on this plus icon, file upload, Select your vertical video from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. Now that the vertical video upload is completed, click on it from here. Then pause it, click on these three dots from the top. And if you don't see open in a new tab or something similar to that, just close this window, refresh the page, and double click again on your video and click on this more actions and click on open in new window. Click again on these three dots and go with embed item. Copy this code and go back to Squarespace website. Select your embed block. Click on code snippet and click on embed data. Paste your code and click on back. Now save your editing and click on this exit button. Let's preview my website live. This is my video stored on Squarespace, and this is my video stored on Google Drive and embedded in Squarespace. To delete these blog sites on the video, I think I can do that. Let's edit the embedded code. I think the width should be only 200, for example. Let's go with 300. I think this is correct. Now save your editing again, then exit. Let's preview my website live. And this is how to add a vertical video to Squarespace without using Squarespace video storage. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.